In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email design in beehiiv. If you want to update the look and feel of one of your beehiiv emails, the process is very simple once you know where everything is. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to make your design edits smoothly inside the editor. To begin, look over to the left-hand side of your beehiiv dashboard and click on Newsletter. This is where you'll find the main area for managing your email content and related publishing tools. If you're new to the platform, this left navigation menu is where most of your important sections live, so it's worth getting familiar with it. Once you're inside the newsletter section, go to Posts and select the email you want to edit. This will open the specific post you'd like to update. Make sure you choose the correct email before making any design changes, especially if you have several drafts or published posts in your account. After opening the email, click Edit Post in the top right corner. This takes you into the editor, where you can adjust the layout and appearance of your email content. From here, you can start customizing the design directly within the post. To make changes, click on the individual elements in your email. As you select different parts of the design, you'll see options appear in the Properties pane on the right-hand side. This is where you can update the styling and adjust the design based on the element you're working with. Depending on what you select, the available settings may change, so take your time and review the options carefully as you go. If you want a faster or more guided way to make updates, you can also use the chat feature and tell beehiiv's AI what changes you want. This can be especially helpful if you already know the result you're aiming for and want assistance applying it. Just describe the design change clearly, and the AI can help with the update. One important thing to keep in mind is that your changes save immediately. That means you don't need to look for a separate save button, but it also means you should be intentional with each edit you make. If you're experimenting with the design, it's a good idea to review everything before closing the editor, and that's it. That's how to change email design in beehiiv quickly and easily.